doing today is actually an excited day because we have something special delivered for a new car. So, like I said before, we had a bad experience with the max speeding rods. I will put the description below. Don't buy those things. They suck. They don't work. I bought it a month ago and they got blown. So don't buy those things at all. So, actually today we got our new coilovers. See that? I bought this crazy max speeding rods coilovers before. Never heard about the brand and anything, but I was like, I need to check them out. The thing is that they are the worst coilovers that you can actually buy. So don't go because of price, don't go anything else, because they are the worst. So right now, let's just go inside and see what it comes on that big box of Racelands. So don't go. So, like I said, it's heavy. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and open this. So, let's go and do that. That's my knife. I have actually a small knife that actually is really sharp. Well, let's try with this. All right. All right. We have the Raceland sticker. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe we'll put it on. And go further. We go. Okay. Stop. Read before installing. Common sense, right? This is the instructions. That's what is in here right now. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, there they are. Look at that. The shocks. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open the shocks. This is one. Here you go. This is one. This is a real shock. These are the fronts. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Nice. See the brand? It's Raceland. BMW. Love this. Alright guys, so today I'm here at the pool with the family. My wife is actually teaching aqua aerobics. And I have my sons over here. Say hi. Hi. So, I didn't install the coilovers today. I will be installing them tomorrow because I didn't have that much time. So I will do it tomorrow, Saturday. And actually you will be looking at this video on Monday, which for you guys is today, which for me is Friday today, and tomorrow will be Saturday, but for you guys it's Monday. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and no worries, I will be doing that installation tomorrow, and I will be providing you also with the a big difference of the coilovers with the max speeding rods, worst coilovers ever, and with the Raceland coilovers now that I just ordered and I just got in the mail. So, alright guys.